Tom McMullen from McMullen & Sons in Hartford.
Hi, I'm Andy Hepworth, founder and chairman of Hepworth & Company, Brewers in West Sussex.
Miles Jenner, head brewer and joint managing director of Harvey's Brewery in Lewes.
Me personally, about 15 years, but otherwise as a family, we think it goes back about 120, 130 years. I think French Jupps' records certainly go back over a century with us. So yeah, it's a decent amount of time.
Virtually all my career, which now spans 47 years.
Right, okay, so you've been brewing for a little while.
A little while.
Yeah.
Well, I was working with them when I first went into brewing, because I started my career with Green King in Bury St Edmunds in 1976, and we were certainly using French Jupps there. So, and as far as my memories of Harvey's go before I was a professional brewer here, yes, we were certainly using French Jupps, and our records show that we were using them back as far as the 1850s.
I mean, twofold, I think. Number one is you've got to have, the quality products and the consistency of supply. Ultimately we have to get a product out the door and know that what we're putting into it is quality and that we can get it when we need it. Yeah. I think on top of that there is this sort of the emotional side to it, is that French Jupps are, 5 miles down the river from us. Yeah. And there's that wonderful kind of local provenance where, I sort of farm 12 miles north of here, and my malted barley goes into the local cooperative grain merchants, which then supplies French Jupps and then ends up in our beer, and we then supply it to the pubs that are back where the farms are. So, there's a lovely sort of circularity.
Two main things: the quality is good and the consistency of that quality, which is key to us producing consistent beer.
Well, I think their values are very much the same as ours. I think they are a proud tradition with meticulous values of quality and consistency, and that's what you want in all your suppliers. And I think they have a passion for malting equivalent to our passion for brewing, and I don't think you can look any further than that if you want someone that you want to work with and be in simpatico with.